I want to show you a couple of very commonly used data manipulation activity. That is to convert a column of a data frame to an index and an index to a column. We're going to use the same Hungary chickenpox dataset. So what I want to do is, I have this date over here. I want to convert this date to the index. I want to put this date as the index. How you can do it is use the set index method, set in place equal to true, so that you don't have to reassign it. Let's run this and see the result. Now your column has been transferred as an index. The date has been transferred to an index, right? There is no column called date present here. Now that's done. Now let's assume we receive the data frame like this. All right, we receive a data frame like this, and from this data frame, you want to transfer this index to a column. You want to consider this index as a column or change this index to a column. How do you do that? Couple of methods. You can create a new column by the name date itself. Just like how you create a new column, just create a new column and assign to it the value of the index of that data frame. Let's see the output. Now the problem here is the new column that you created is getting assigned at the last. We don't want that. We will ideally want it to come in the very first position. So what we will do instead is use df.insert method, specify the position, specify the name of the column that you want to create, and specify the value that you want to assign to this particular column name, right? So I'm going to rerun this. Now date is present as an index here. Run insert over here. See the data frame. We have a new column called date here. So this is one very useful way of doing it. That is, in the insert method helps you to assign a column at a desired position. By default, it goes to the end, right? That you can avoid and make it come at the position that you want. Now that is one method. The other method is use df.resetIndex. By doing that, your index simply gets converted to a column in your data frame. Very useful, very often used.